In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Google Play Store on a PC. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser, and then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up BlueStacks. And basically, BlueStacks is an Android emulator that will allow us to get access to the Google Play Store. So once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and select on the official BlueStacks.com website right over here. Then, once you went ahead and press on that, you want to go ahead and press on download right over here. And now all you got to do is just wait for it to actually download. And obviously, since this is actually a exe file, it is going to give us a message over here where it says unverified download blocked. But do not worry, guys, you can go ahead and download this file and just now wait for it to actually install. All right, so it is now installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And by the way, if you do not see it underneath recent download history, then all you need to do is you need to open up your File Explorer app and then look underneath downloads. But anyways, you just want to go ahead and press on it like so. And then you want to go ahead and press on yes, allow the app to make changes. So my screen did go black, so I do apologize for that. But anyways, guys, what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on install now. And then go ahead and press on I agree. And from here, all you got to do is you got to wait for BlueStacks to actually install on your device. All right, guys, so it is now installing BlueStacks. And oh my goodness, okay, all right, I don't know what that advertisement was about, but here we are. And then, yeah, just wait for it to load in. And guys, I'm not kidding. We literally have a Android emulator on our device right over here. So you guys can go ahead and start like, getting games and stuff like that. And then from there, you guys are actually able to go ahead and play them. So I'm honestly really amazed. You guys can even go to the search bar right over here and start looking for a game. So let's go ahead and look for something like Minecraft, for example. Yep, there it is. You guys can go ahead and play Minecraft. And by the way, if it's your first time ever like using this, then you will need to go ahead and sign in to like a Google account, obviously, so that you're able to use the Google Play services. So just keep that in mind. But let's go ahead and press on install from Google Play really quickly. Then there you go. It is now going to go ahead and open it up. And then, yep, we need to go ahead and sign in really quickly. But after you sign in, you should be able to basically go ahead and download any game that you want. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.